What's up, guys? Coming to you live anywhere and everywhere from a snowstorm, wherever, to give you Bitcoin updates, cryptocurrency updates. Now let's take a look at the weekend. We have a pretty important weekly candle close Sunday to Monday that needs to close in the green, and we're going to take a look at that in the charts. There's some big things forming here, guys, and if you're a trader, you're going to want to pay attention here in the next 2, 3, 4 days, because I think some big stuff's going to happen for Bitcoin. So let's jump into the charts. Right now I'm on the 4-hourly chart here, and we are going to dive right into it. As you can see, from back in November until now, we have this falling wedge that has formed or is still forming that we are within. And as with falling wedges, the target is the top of the wedge right here. And that target is the all-time high, ladies and gentlemen. And that's at about 69,000. So if we break out of this falling wedge to the upside right here, I am putting in a big trade on Bybit or Femex. And the breakout, basically, in my opinion, has to happen by the 24th at the very latest. Let's see here. Right around this area would be the very latest. I think it's probably going to happen around here. And that time frame would be like the 19th. So in a few days here, guys, we're going to see this pattern hopefully break out to the upside. And we need this weekly close here. First, I'll show you another little pattern that I think could form here. This is a shorter term pattern. And what I see happening here is a cup and handle forming. And we would need to break this top line here to put in a trade. And that would be a nice little trade here. Otherwise, I think we might have a double bottom forming here where we do something like that. And then we also break out of this falling wedge at the same time as we break this double bottom pattern. That's pretty early to tell yet, though. We still have quite a bit of time left for that double bottom to form, a few days at least. So it's pretty early for that one. And the target of that one would be... This is just rough here, guys, because I am on my phone. Let's see here. If we break that one, the target would be up where, up towards like $47,500-ish range. And that would also break above this major, it was major support. Sorry, guys, I must have tweaked it a little bit there. It was major support. Now it's major resistance at approximately $45,750. That area right there, that is what we bounced off of, as you can see there, multiple times going back months. And that is a huge level to reclaim. So this pattern, this double bottom or cup and handle pattern, if it plays out and we break above, it would put us above that major resistance white line there that you can see. Now let's jump out on the weekly time frame. Let's get into it here. Let's pull out the EMA ribbon. Now, this is what I was talking about before. We have to close. As you can see, it's a nice green candle right there. If we can just hold about where we are or close about $44,000, we will see something like this happen. That happened right back here. As soon as we got below actual candle closing below the EMA ribbon, like we had right here last week, we had a green candle pump right there, about 10, 20%, whatever it was, 10, 15%. So that's what I want to see happen right here. And that would, kind of tell us that a pump is coming like this, which was a major, pump of like 50, 75%, something like that. We could see that coming again, but we need to close above the EMA ribbon. And, that would obviously mean we're still in a bull market. And from what I see here, guys, we still have higher highs and lower lows. This low here is lower than this low, and we're pretty close to the same, I guess, right now here. So we cannot close lower than this here, because that, you know, is another huge indication that we're in a bear market or approaching a bear market. But that's all I have for you guys today. And I'm going to put out some more videos on some other cryptos, some other cryptocurrency, just some projects in the next few days, hopefully this weekend. And I'm definitely going to do a Sunday update. If I put in a trade Sunday video, I might try and trade the CME gap depending on what happens in the charts here. But that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you liked the update. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Peace.